China just unleashed a terrifying humanoid robot called Superman that runs faster than Usain Bolt. Built by Unitree, this mechanical powerhouse achieved an unprecedented 2-meter standing vertical jump from a complete standstill. Unveiled just 3 days before their massive Shanghai Stock Exchange debut. This is not just a technological showcase, it's a masterful strategic flex. If you thought humanoid robotics was year away from peak performance, this jaw-dropping demonstration proves that future is happening right now. Clocking in at an astonishing 12.6 meters per second, Superman hits speeds over 45 kilometers per hour. What astounds biomechanical engineers is that its leg length mirrors merely 0.85 meters, delivering record-breaking speed on such compact limbs release purely on extreme actuator torque and hyper-precise motion control. When dropping from its 2-meter lead, it observes their kinetic impact flawlessly without pitching forward. Behind this mind-boggling performance sits a $900 million financial title, where Unitree is launching as the first general-purpose robotics firm on Shanghai stock market. Retail demand for their $95 million initial offering exploded by over 8,000 times. This unprecedented investor frenzy underscores global confidence in China's robotic dominance. Backed by tech giants Tencent, Alibaba, and DeepSeek founder Wang Qin, secured a front row seat at President Xi Jinping summit, coinciding with the World Robot Conference in Beijing. China is sending an unmistakable signal to Western markets. They are not merely competing in robotics, they are aiming to command the entire global supply chain. Staggering industry reports reveal that Chinese suppliers accounted for 97% to all global humanoid robot shipments in already 2026. Unitree alone has delivered over 18,000 bipedal humanoids to customers worldwide. This overwhelming market presence creates a widening competitive moat that Western rivals are struggling to bridge. Why push machines to sprint and leap like Olympic athletes? Leading robotics emphasize that these extreme dynamic speed trials serve as critical stress tests. A robot engineered to survive a 2-meter impact possesses the structural resilience required to navigate disaster zones and collapsed buildings. However, real-world deployment presents for mid-able real-world hurdles at the Beijing Firefighting Challenge. Only 3 out of 12 humanoid teams successfully completed their mission. Sudden outdoor rain, shifting ambient light, and environmental unpredictability degraded their AI vision systems. This humbling reality test proves that controlled lab speed differs greatly from structured physical environments. To bridge this reliability gap, engineers are deploying teleoperation VR headsets for real-time human assistance. Concurrently, teams are developing specialized tactile hands and high-torque joint modules. Every fed valve turn provides invaluable perception training data to refine their neural architectures across the Pacific. American Fun Foundation Robotics is pitching its Phantom humanoid for border surveillance, designed to navigate rugged desert terrain. Phantom identifies potential human crossing and flags critical situational data for border patrol officers. It represents a tactical shift toward autonomous physical security. Powered by the cortex neural brain, Phantom utilizes deep variational Bayesian filters to predict physical outcomes, carrying a 40 kilogram payload with custom psychological actuators. It prioritizes sustained operational endurance over raw sprint velocity. This hardened architecture marks America's strategic entry into fieldable robotics. Meanwhile, Fiji Robotics is revolutionizing the space with cross-embodiment AI models. Using tendon-driven soft arms, their system runs complex physical tasks from a single human demonstration. This proves that transferable neural intelligence is far more critical than rigid physical design. The global arms race between Chinese sprint champions and American tactical humanoids is rewriting the laws of technology. To stay at the forefront of this revolution, subscribe to Channel AI Revolution, hit the notification bell on, and like and share this video. Join the frontier of AI revolution.